Hi, Elon. Good morning, Elon. Hi, Elon. Hello, everybody. Hi. What's your name? You say my name is Elon. How was your sleep, Elon? It's 5:40. Are you excited? Huh? Are you excited for your sunrise? For the sunshine, sunshine, sunrise. Say hello, sunrise. I'm waiting for you. Because it's been 2 days. No sunrise because of the clouds. Mommy's still sleepy pa. Tignan mo na, it's too early pa, oh. It's too early pa. Let's sleep pa. Hi. Say good morning, Mommy. I love you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Elon. What? Hello? Did you say hello? Good morning. How are you? You're sitting down na? You're sitting down na? Basta may support lang, no? Say good morning. Good morning. How are you, Elon? How was your sleep? Slide na siya. How was your sleep? You're sleeping kanina, no? Sit down properly, okay? How was your sleep? I love you, Elon. I love you. Good morning, good morning.
Turuan na kita mag-sit, ha? Yan, okay na ba? All goods na? Yan, all goods, all goods. Kaya na kitang iwan, ha? Kaya mo na yan. High five. Give me high five. Hello, Elon. Kiss mo ako sa lips. Baby, nice. Say hello. Nice. Smile. Huh? You love Batman?
Nakikipag-usap siya kay mother kanina.
Nakipag-usap
kay Ate Ann.